Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I styled these long passion twists. I used 4 packets. Each packet had 16 pieces. I also used gel wax, crochet pin and a comb. I really liked this hairstyle, but I had to undo it for the twist. You can find the video on my account. I find it easier working in sections, so I had to section my hair. And then I'm going to secure each section with a twist. You can use a hairband or a clip. Then I'm going to work on each section at a time. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You can leave a comment. After sectioning, I'll be using the wax to hold all the hair to make sure that I get a nice clean scalp finish. For the crochet method, I'm going to braid the base and then I'm going to use the crochet needle to fix the twists. For the hair, I'm going to leave the link to the Instagram page on my description and you can check them out and see if you can purchase the hair. The hair is 24 inches long. You can unravel the hair to increase volume, like I'm doing, or just use it as it is. By the way, this video is very detailed. You find different ways to do the twists. So simply, you have options to choose from. Watch to the end. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe still if you haven't subscribed. Again, for more information, check the description box. And you can also connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter at Ariel Sketcher.